When is Spotify Wrapped 2022, or when will Spotify Wrapped 2022 be released? Now that's the question that a lot of people have been asking lately. And I was actually wondering it myself. I've done some research and I'm here in the Spotify app right now on my PC, and nothing is really like showing up on here. But if you go to their social media, for example, they have been posting 6 days ago, your 2022 Wrapped is coming out soon. And we are so ready and all that kind of stuff. So expect it to drop pretty soon. Now, if you search for what date is Spotify Wrapped 2021, then you can see that in December, as in 2021, it released on December 1. In 2022, it released on December the 2nd. And in 2019, it released on December 5. Which means that we are very close for Spotify Wrapped 2022 to actually be released. Because as you can see, the current date of this video is the 28th. So it might actually be in 3 days already. Maybe the 1st, maybe the 2nd. In 2019 was the 5th. So expect it in like a week from now on, from the 28th. I'm expecting it to drop right around the corner. So yeah, that's about it. I hope I answered your question. Unfortunately, I couldn't be very specific because it's just not clear yet. But yeah, like I said, expect it in a week. And I hope this video helps you out, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.